Okay.
I was gonna make some couscous. Do you want to help me?
What's a couscous?
Well, here, let me show you what it is. You've never eaten couscous before?
No.
Well, it's kind of like pasta.
Oh.
And I use this right here. It already has some herbs in it.
Do you need a hand?
Spices.
I don't have any, but you need one?
No, okay, thanks. But here, let me show you.
Okay.
Yeah. I got it.
Yay, you can do it.
I did it. Okay, so this is all the spices that you can put inside.
Uh-huh.
But I'm just going to pour a little bit of couscous in my hand so you and our friends can see.
Okay. I'm excited.
So they look like this.
Oh, it does look like tiny little pastas.
You want to see? Here. Whoa, they're super tiny little pastas.
Ah.
I thought we could eat this today, Peggy.
Yeah, that sounds nice. I haven't had lunch yet.
Oh, well, this will fill you up.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to get hangry again.
Oh, remember that last time you were so hangry?
Yeah, that wasn't fun. But the food was good.
The food was good. That was good. That was a good choice. All right, Peggy, do you want to try? You want to start?
Yeah, let's do it.
I can walk you through it and maybe we can make it together.
Okay.
Well, first, do you want to read the ingredients with me?
Yeah.
Or the instructions?
Okay.
Okay, here we go. In a medium saucepan, I'm going to use this.
There you go.
Combine 1 1/4 cups of water.
How do we know how much 1 1/4 cups is?
Oh, let me show you.
Okay.
These are, oh, excuse me. This is a measuring cup.
Ah.
And you see how it's got numbers on it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this is 1 1/4.
Oh.
Right here.
Oh, I see it.
Do you have one of these in your home? You do? Yeah, it's used for cooking. So, okay. Step 1. Oh, there it is. Combine 1 1/4 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of olive oil or butter.
Ooh, I like both of those.
I think we're gonna go with some olive oil today.
Okay.
And we can use a teaspoon. And here is a measuring cup for the measuring spoons for teaspoons. Yeah. Okay. Step 2. You ready?
Yeah.
Bring the water to a boil. And then
it's
stir
hot.
in the couscous packet. It's this thing right here.
Is that what's in there?
Some spices.
Ah.
This one is flavored roasted garlic and olive oil.
Ooh, garlic.
I love garlic. Step 3. Cover with a lid like this.
Oh.
And
see
remove
it
from
inside.
heat and let it stand for a few minutes.
Oh.
And then fluff the couscous with a fork and then you can eat it.
Okay.
There's 4 steps.
That's
nice
it?
and easy. Mhm.
Only 4.
Yeah. You think we can do it?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. All right, step 1. In a medium saucepan, combine 1 1/4 cups of water. And
Okay.
2 teaspoons of olive oil. Let's fill up this water real quick.
Okay.
I'll be right back. Ta-da! I'm back with some water.
We did it.
Yeah. Okay, so let's turn it on. Our stove. And you might need a grown-up for this.
Yeah.
Yeah, for those of you who are watching. And if you are a grown-up and you don't know how to do it, maybe you can ask another grown-up for help.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Or if you have a penguin, you can ask them.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, I think it's ready. Shall we?
Yeah.
We're gonna pour the water in here.
Oh.
Whoa.
Wow.
Wow.
You didn't spill any. That was good.
Thank you. Okay, now let's do our 2 teaspoons
Okay.
of olive oil.
Olive oil. I love olives.
Look. over this so it doesn't. Ah! Oops.
You spilled a little that time.
That's okay.
Okay.
Alright. A little olive oil won't help, a little extra. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna wait for that to boil.
Do you like olives?
I'm not a big fan of olives.
I like olives. I didn't know that you made oil from olives.
I know, I like olive oil, but I'm not a big fan of snacking on olives. Some people snack on olives and you know what they do, Peggy?
What?
They put the olives on their fingers.
Yeah.
And they eat it like this. You
Isn't
ever
there-
tried that?
Isn't,
Oh,
I
wait, you
don't,
don't have
I
fingers.
don't.
Okay. Maybe there's olives that are big enough for your flippers to fit inside.
That would be
That would
silly.
be so silly.
So, what do you like if you don't like olives?
I like tomatoes. Do you like tomatoes?
Ooh, yum. I do like tomatoes.
Do you like tomatoes? Oh, some mixed reactions. out
Yeah.
there.
Some of them like it, some of them don't.
I like tomato soup. You like tomato soup?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I had a tuna melt with tomato soup for lunch.
Ooh, that's yummy.
Yeah, it was good.
I love tuna too. I had tuna for lunch too.
You did?
Yeah,
How was it prepared?
it was good. So I put some soy sauce in it and some lemon juice. And I squeezed some lemons in there, put a little bit of Cajun, and then some peas, and some garlic and onions. Yeah,
That sounds good.
thanks. I know it's taking a while to boil.
You know what they say, a watch pot never boils. Mm-mm, it doesn't boil because it knows you're watching.
We are watching. How many people are watching right now? I know there's a lot of you out there.
I can't tell. I can't see everyone from here.
Look, it looks like I'm coming out of your head.
It's because I'm close to the camera and you're back here.
Yeah. Oh. Wait. Peekaboo. Let's see if it's boiling. Ooh, it's almost there.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
What are we gonna have in the summertime that we don't normally have? You know, to eat.
I like eating mango.
Yum. Have you ever had mangoes and sticky rice?
No, I haven't.
It's so good. Mace makes it, and it's really good. You should ask Mace to make some for you.
Sure.
I think they would.
I know that people eat that, but I've never tried it by myself.
It's really good. I think that they put coconut milk in the
Ooh.
rice. Yeah, and that's what makes it sticky and
Whoa. Ooh, that sounds yummy.
sweet. Yeah, it's really
Is
good.
it a dessert?
Yeah. I like desserts.
Oh, speaking of something you can eat after your lunch,
What?
what about watermelon?
Yum. That's a summer fruit.
Watermelon.
Love watermelon. Yum.
Any other fruits you can think of?
Well, here in Texas, we get peaches.
Look, it's boiling.
Whoa. Wait, does that mean we put the couscous in there?
Now we put this little packet in,
Oh.
and then we put the couscous right after.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, I might need scissors. Hold on.
You might need an adult to use the scissors for you,
Yeah.
especially if you're a penguin.
I am an adult.
I am a penguin.
Okay, yay! I've opened it and now I'm gonna pour it inside.
Okay, no spilling.
I can do this. Hey,
Whoa. She
you
did
hear
it.
it?
Yeah,
It's really boiling.
it's sizzling.
Okay. Now we're ready to put the couscous in.
Okay.
Peggy, do you want to help with this part?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Here we go.
Oh, I saw something happen.
And then we're gonna close it. Just let it sit for a little bit.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Hey, Peggy. Food's ready.
Oh, yeah, I'm excited.
You gotta see what it looks like.
Yum. That looks good. Ooh, it smells good too.
It smells very herby.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna take a fork and kind of. Let me grab the fork. Excuse me, Peggy. Fork. And I'm gonna kind of move the couscous around.
You fluffing it up?
Yeah, I'm fluffing it so we can get ready to eat it.
Yum.
Okay, all good.
Okay.
Wrong one. Are you ready for a plate?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm so excited. I have to go now. We're gonna go eat some food. Bye.
Bye-bye.